Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This saves time. First, put the Creta in ACC or start the engine so the head unit is active. On your iPhone, turn Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, enable Siri, and unlock the phone. Then open the Creta infotainment and navigate to Connections or Phone Settings to show wireless CarPlay availability. Once you see the CarPlay option, make sure the system is discoverable. This is the moment to start the pairing process. Now pair the devices step by step. On the Creta screen, choose Add Phone or Wireless CarPlay. The head unit will search. When the iPhone shows the Creta name, tap to pair via Bluetooth and confirm any PIN prompts. After Bluetooth pairs, the phone will switch to Wi-Fi for CarPlay. Accept the Wi-Fi connection and any permission dialogues. Make sure you allow contacts and notifications so CarPlay works fully. Once connected, the CarPlay icon should appear on the infotainment home screen. Finish by launching the CarPlay interface and testing key apps: Maps, Phone, Music, and Siri. Speak a command to confirm audio routing. Then make CarPlay the default connection so it auto-connects next time. Change Auto Connect or Priority in the Creta settings if available. If you hit trouble, here is one quick tip. Restart the iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and power cycle the infotainment system. This clears most handshake issues and forces a clean wireless CarPlay negotiation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.